Have you ever felt frustrated, ignored, wondering how to truly capture a young woman's attention? If so, get ready. Because in this video, I'm sharing 6 powerful phrases that young women find irresistibly attractive, especially when spoken by a seasoned, confident man. Just by using these phrases, you'll see her drawn to you, intrigued, wanting to be near you, maybe even tonight. Curious about what they are and the deep psychological triggers behind them. Before we dive in, let's take a moment to embrace the Stoic mindset, a way of life that keeps you calm, confident, and unshaken in any situation. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video from Stoic Station. And if you find this content valuable, drop a 1 in the comments. If not, comment 2, so I can improve for you in the future. All right, let's jump into those 6 game-changing phrases. 1. You're more mature than most women your age. This phrase carries serious power because it speaks directly to her self-esteem and ego. Young women, especially those drawn to experienced men, love feeling different, special, and more mature than their peers. When you say this, you're not just giving her a compliment, you're validating her intelligence, her insight, and those rare qualities that set her apart. Why does this work? Many young women crave recognition and respect, particularly for their maturity and wisdom. While younger guys might focus only on looks, you're showing her that you see beyond the surface, that you genuinely appreciate who she is on a deeper level, and that makes you stand out. Pro tip: make it more impactful. A generic compliment is nice, but a specific one, that's irresistible. Instead of just saying the phrase, add a personal touch. I can tell from the way you think, the way you speak, and the decisions you make, you have a really mature perspective on life. This makes your words feel real, deep, and truly compelling. And trust me, she'll feel it. 2. Your energy. It's like a flame that ignites something special in me. This phrase isn't just a compliment. It's powerful. It's filled with emotion, admiration, and just the right touch of mystery. When you say this, you're not just telling her she's attractive. You're making her feel irresistibly magnetic, like she has a presence that truly affects you. Why does this work? Young women love compliments that go beyond the surface, ones that speak to their essence, energy, and uniqueness. When you tell her she awakens something extraordinary in you, you're subtly implying that she's one of a kind. She's not just beautiful, she's impactful. And that makes her feel deeply seen. But there's more. The way this phrase is structured paints a vivid image of connection and desire without being too forward or rushed. It lingers, it intrigues, and that's exactly why it works. Pro tip: make it more personal. To make this even more irresistible, follow up with a personal detail. I don't know if it's your smile, your presence, or just the way you talk, but every time I'm around you, I feel incredibly inspired. This makes your words feel authentic, intimate, and unforgettable, leaving a lasting impression. How to use it. Say this when the conversation is flowing effortlessly, especially during moments of laughter or deep connection. Keep your tone calm and confident. This shows sincerity. End with a slight smile or a brief pause before shifting topics. This touch of mystery will leave her intrigued by your emotions. And trust me, she won't forget it. 3. I truly appreciate your sincerity. It's such a rare and valuable quality in this artificial world. This phrase does more than just boost her confidence. It makes her feel deeply special. By highlighting her sincerity, you're pointing out a rare and precious trait, one that sets her apart from everyone else. And that creates an instant emotional connection. Why does this work? Young women don't just want to be admired for their looks. They crave recognition for who they truly are. When you acknowledge her sincerity, you're showing that you see her inner worth, not just her appearance. This makes you stand out from other men while feeding her desire to be appreciated for her authentic self. Pro tip: make it more personal. The secret to making this truly impactful: specificity. Instead of a broad compliment, add a personal touch. I've noticed that you're incredibly honest and unafraid to be yourself. That's rare, and honestly, it's amazing. A compliment like this feels real, making it 10 times more powerful than a generic one. Now, here's something even more powerful. Did you know that with just one text, you could spark an uncontrollable desire in her mind? A simple message so powerful that she'll find herself constantly thinking about you, even if she has a boyfriend or only sees you as a friend. Warning: if you send this text, she may become irresistibly drawn to you, to the point where she needs to see you. If you're not ready for that level of attraction, it's best not to use it. 4. The light in your eyes. It's radiant and spreads in a way that touches others so beautifully. This isn't just a compliment, it's an experience. It goes beyond the usual remarks about beauty and dives into something deeper, more intimate. By focusing on her eyes, you're not just admiring her looks, you're recognizing her energy, her presence, the way she naturally affects the people around her. Why does this work? Young women are drawn to thoughtful compliments, the kind that reveal a man who truly notices them. When you say this, you're showing that you see what others don't. It's not just about physical attraction, it's about the way she shines in the world, and that creates a powerful emotional connection. Pro tip: make it more personal. Want to make this even stronger? Add a personal touch. When you look at someone, it's like you light up the entire room. I've never seen that in anyone else before. This makes the compliment feel exclusive, like she has a rare, one-of-a-kind quality that only you truly appreciate. And trust me, she'll never forget it. How to deliver it. Hold eye contact with a warm, genuine gaze. Pause briefly after saying it. Let the moment sink in. If the timing feels right, add a soft smile or a subtle touch to reinforce the connection. Done right? This line isn't just words, it's magic. 5. You make me realize how amazing it feels to fully live in this moment. This phrase carries a subtle yet powerful charm. It's more than just a compliment, it's an experience. You're not just admiring her energy, you're showing that her presence brings something refreshing, vibrant, and deeply meaningful into your life. And that creates an instant emotional connection. Why does this work? Young women love knowing that they bring something special and positive to a seasoned, experienced man. By saying this, you're showing that you appreciate genuine, meaningful moments. Know how to live fully and embrace joy. Have depth, balancing wisdom with a love for the present. This makes her see you as more than just an interesting man. You become someone who knows the value of now, someone who carries wisdom from the past, but still embraces life's beauty in the present. Pro tip: make it more personal. For even greater impact, add a personal touch. Your vibe reminds me how great it feels to laugh, enjoy, and sometimes just let go of all worries. That's truly inspiring. This makes your words feel authentic and heartfelt, like you're truly feeling the moment because of her. And that's unforgettable. How to deliver it. Keep your tone soft and sincere, as if you're truly enjoying the moment. Say this when you're sharing a fun, carefree experience, when laughter flows naturally. Let your expression reflect genuine appreciation, a warm smile, a thoughtful pause. Let the words sink in. Done right? She won't just hear this, she'll feel it. 6. Just being near you makes my mind start imagining things that maybe it shouldn't. This line is bold, suggestive, and creates an irresistible tension. It blends mystery with desire, subtly revealing that her presence affects you deeply without stating it outright. And that sparks her imagination, making the attraction between you undeniable. Why does this work? Young women are drawn to intelligent flirting, the kind that's seductive yet refined, suggestive but never vulgar. This phrase hints at desire in a way that feels intriguing rather than overt. It tells her that she has a powerful effect on you, building both emotional and physical attraction at the same time. Pro tip: master the delivery. The way you say this is just as important as the words themselves. Say it slowly and directly, holding eye contact with a subtle, knowing smile. Pause briefly, let the tension build. Then, if the moment feels right, follow up with something like, "I can't help but wonder what it would be like if it were just the two of us, completely relaxed, with no one else around." This deepens the tension, inviting her to let her imagination wander, making the moment irresistibly charged. How to use it. Say this when there's already clear chemistry between you. Use a lower, softer tone, as if sharing a secret meant just for her. If she responds positively, keep the mood playful yet controlled, subtly showing that you're confident and in charge. The result? She won't just remember your words, she'll remember how you made her feel. The attraction you create isn't just in what you say, it's in the unspoken tension that lingers long after the conversation ends. And if you want to take things even further, imagine sending a sequence of magnetic texts, messages so irresistibly charged with chemistry and desire that she simply can't stop thinking about you or wanting you right now. We've uncovered the power of words, how they can create instant attraction and build a connection that feels real and irresistible. Young women, especially, crave recognition for more than just their beauty. They want to be seen for their intelligence, personality, and uniqueness. Thoughtful compliments that go beyond the surface, ones that touch on emotion, sincerity, maturity, and energy, make a lasting impact. When a man knows how to appreciate a woman in a skillful way, she doesn't just feel valued, she feels drawn to him. The secret? Attraction isn't just about words, it's about the mystery, the timing, the subtle sparks of desire. Phrases like, "You make me realize the value of this moment," "Your energy sparks something special in me." These don't just make her feel attractive, they make her aware of her influence over you. And that keeps her curious, intrigued, wanting more. But here's the real key: personalization. Compliments have the greatest impact when they show that you notice what others overlook. When paired with confidence and just the right touch of mystery, you don't just have engaging conversations, you leave a lasting impression that lingers in her mind, even when you're not around. Remember, attraction isn't just about what you say, it's about how you make her feel. So, don't just memorize these words, Master them. Learn to use them at the right time, in the right way, with the right person. Because when you do, you won't just catch her attention, you'll leave a lasting imprint on her mind. Want to take this even further? If you're ready to dive deeper into the art of communication, female psychology, and building long-term attraction, stay tuned. Because this isn't just about words, it's a mental game where subtlety and finesse define your true charm. Before you go, subscribe to Stoic Station and turn on notifications so you never miss a valuable insight. Comment below which phrase was your favorite. Share this video if you found it helpful. See you in the next video.